What's up? Welcome back to Heartwork Creations. Thank you for tuning in. In this video, I'm going to be putting together this fall inspired glam with some shimmery gold shadow, some orange and red tones, and this camel colored lip. So starting off, I'm going to set the vibes right with my pumpkin vanilla cream candle from Bath & Body Works. It smells so good and just makes you feel all cozy. And then I'm going to take a sip of my pumpkin cream cold brew and get it poppin'. So for my eyes, I'm going to be using the Jaclyn Hill and Morphe collab palette. I'm going to start off with this orange tone shade. I'll be sure to name the palette and all the shade colors down below. But I'm going to go ahead and just buff that shade out into my crease. And just keep blending and building. And I'm just blending upwards towards my brow, but just keeping it right into that crease for a transition color. Do the same on the other side. Next, I'm going to dip into this darker burnt orange shade, and I'm going to lightly pat and blend at the same time, and I'm going to keep that shade right on the outer corner of my eye and blend it into that transition color. But I'm mostly keeping it on the outer corner of the eye, not really going in too much. And I'm just gonna apply this darker burnt orange shade with a pencil brush at the corner of my eye and then kind of blend it into that outer corner color. And this is just gonna elongate my eye and kind of give them a more lifted effect. I'll softly blend that out too so it's not too harsh. For underneath my lash line, I'm going to dip into these 3 darker red colors. One of them is like a shimmer, so I like how it gives it a little bit of a shine. So I just go ahead and blend those out on my lower lash line, and I apply it onto my lash line or waterline as well. And just buff it out and kind of blend it into the top shades. For the lid, I'm going to use a damp eyeshadow brush and just rub this gold shade all over my eyelid. Using rubbing motions helps it look way more like metallic and pigmented. For the eyeliner, I'm going to use Suavecita Lip Grip in Le Freak. And I'm going to go ahead and just line my outer corner of my eye and wing it out. I figured I'd do something different rather than black eyeliner, and I like the way this looked. It's a little bit like a reddish brown. And it dries a little bit darker, but since I still want it to be a little darker and a little more smoky, I'm going to dip into this dark brown shade and then just pat it over it and just kind of lightly blend it up so that it's just not as like harsh as a regular wing liner. This will help keep it in place too. Next, I'm going to apply a little bit of my waterproof inextreme dimension mascara by MAC. Just a light coat on my top and bottom lashes. And for my false lashes, I'm going to use my favorite Amazon find. These lashes are only $8 for like 8 pairs, so I'll definitely link those down below. These have been my go-to, and they're super comfortable and very pretty and wispy. Definitely get you some. You'll love them, I promise. finish off the look. For my lips, I'm gonna use IlMakiage lip liner in the shade Natural. And I'm just gonna line my lips and color them in a bit. And on top, I'm gonna use the liquid lipstick by Morphe in the shade True Story. This is my favorite fall lip cream or liquid lip. It's super pretty, and it's just, I don't know, it's like that perfect burnt orange camel kind of shade. And that's it. My look is complete. I hope you enjoyed this video. Let me know what you thought down below. Show me some love, give me some feedback, and make sure to like this video for me, please. Subscribe to my channel, and I will see you in the next video. Thank you. Bye.